One crore dream possible. Imagine waking up every day knowing that your business is generating 1 crore rupees every single month. It might sound like a distant dream, but it's closer than you think. 1 crore rupees every month. Sounds impossible? Think again. Many have walked this path and achieved what seemed unattainable. They started with a vision, just like you, and turned it into reality. It's achievable, even for you. Thousands are doing it. You can too. The journey to 1 crore a month is paved with stories of perseverance, innovation, and relentless pursuit of excellence. This isn't a magic trick. There's no sleight of hand here. It's about understanding the market, identifying opportunities, and leveraging your strengths. It's about strategy, hard work, and smart choices. Every successful business has a well-thought-out plan, a dedicated team, and the willingness to adapt and grow. Are you ready to transform your business? To take it to the next level? It starts with a mindset shift, a belief that you can achieve greatness, to reach new heights of success. Picture yourself standing on the rooftop of your success, looking out at the vast possibilities that lie ahead. Let's embark on this exciting journey together. With the right guidance, tools, and determination, you can achieve what you once thought was impossible. This is about building something big, something lasting. A business that stands the test of time, that grows and evolves with the changing market dynamics. It's about creating a business that doesn't just survive, but thrives. A business that not only meets your financial goals, but also brings value to your customers and community. Get ready to unlock the secrets to making 1 crore in sales every single month. The journey starts now. Are you ready to take the first step? First things first, understand your battlefield, your market. This is where your journey begins. It's not just about knowing who your competitors are, but also about understanding the landscape in which you operate. Dive deep into market research. Look at the trends, the shifts, and the emerging patterns. This knowledge is your foundation. Who are you selling to? What do they need? What are their problems? These questions are crucial. Your customers are the heart of your business. Create detailed customer personas. Understand their demographics, their behaviors, and their pain points. What keeps them up at night? What solutions are they desperately seeking? The more you know about them, the better you can serve them. Next, your weapon, your product. What makes it special? This is where you differentiate yourself. Your product should not just meet the market's needs, but exceed them. Highlight its unique features. What can it do that others can't? How does it solve problems in a way that no other product can? This is your unique selling proposition. Why should people choose you over everyone else? This is the question you need to answer convincingly. It's not enough to be good. You need to be the best option available. Compare your product with others in the market. Show how it stands out. Use testimonials, case studies, and real-world examples to back up your claims. This isn't about being the cheapest. Competing on price alone is a race to the bottom. Instead, focus on the value you provide. What makes your product worth the price? Is it the quality, the innovation, the customer service? Make sure your customers understand the value they're getting. It's about being the best solution. The ultimate goal is to be the go-to choice for your customers. This means consistently delivering on your promises and exceeding expectations. Build a reputation for excellence. Let your customers become your advocates, spreading the word about how your product has made a difference in their lives. Imagine you sell handmade shoes. This is a niche market, but one with passionate customers. They aren't just buying shoes. They're buying a story, a piece of art, a commitment to quality. Your market. People who value quality, craftsmanship, uniqueness. These are discerning customers who appreciate the finer things in life. They are willing to pay a premium for something that stands out, something that tells a story. Your edge, handcrafted, durable, stylish shoes. See the connection. Your product isn't just another item on the shelf, it's a statement. It's about the meticulous attention to detail, the hours of craftsmanship, and the unique design that can't be replicated by mass production. Understand this, and you've won half the battle. Knowing your market and perfecting your product are the keys to success. With this foundation, you're well on your way to building a brand that resonates and a product that sells. You have a fantastic product. Now tell the world. This is where marketing comes in. Think of it as spreading the word, online and offline. Online, explore the power of social media. Facebook, Instagram, even WhatsApp. Target your audience. Run ads. Engage with potential customers. Offline, network like your life depends on it. Attend industry events. Distribute pamphlets. Word of mouth is powerful. Remember, consistency is key. Keep the momentum going. Marketing brings customers to your doorstep. Now, convert them. This is sales. The art of sales is not just about closing deals. It's about building relationships and trust. When a customer feels valued and understood, they are more likely to make a purchase and become a loyal client. Your sales pitch needs to be sharp and convincing. It's essential to know your product inside and out. This knowledge allows you to answer any questions confidently and provide solutions to potential problems. Tailor your pitch to address the specific needs and pain points of your customer. Highlight the benefits, not just features. Show, don't tell. For instance, instead of merely stating that a product has a long battery life, explain how it will save the customer from the inconvenience of frequent charging. Use real-life scenarios to make your points more relatable and impactful. Let's go back to the handmade shoes. Imagine a craftsman meticulously working on each pair, ensuring every stitch is perfect. This attention to detail is what sets handmade shoes apart from mass-produced ones. Instead of saying durable leather, say these shoes will last you years, even with everyday use. See the difference? By painting a vivid picture, you help the customer visualize the long-term benefits and value of the product. This approach makes your pitch more compelling and memorable. Be confident, be passionate, and most importantly, be genuine. Authenticity resonates with people. When you believe in what you're selling, it shows, and your enthusiasm becomes contagious. Customers are more likely to trust and buy from someone who is sincere and enthusiastic. People can spot a fake from a mile away. If you try to oversell or exaggerate, it can backfire. Instead, focus on being honest and transparent. Address any concerns or objections the customer might have with empathy and understanding. This builds credibility and trust, which are crucial for successful sales. Congratulations, you made a sale, but the journey doesn't end there. In fact, it's just the beginning. Follow up with your customers. Ask for feedback. Resolve issues quickly. A happy customer is more likely to buy again and again. Think of it like building a relationship. Nurture it, and it will reward you with loyalty and repeat business. You're consistently making sales. Customers are happy. Now amplify it. Scale up your operations, hire more people, streamline your processes. Invest in technology that makes you more efficient. Remember those handmade shoes? Maybe it's time to employ more artisans, train them, open a workshop, expand your product line. Scaling up is about replicating your success, but on a much larger scale. The most important ingredient in this recipe for success? You. Your mindset, your dedication, your willingness to learn and adapt. Believe in yourself and your vision. Stay hungry for knowledge. Surround yourself with a team that shares your passion. Remember, you are the driving force behind your business. Building a crore rupee business takes time and effort. There are no overnight miracles, but there are smart cuts. Learn from the best. Study successful businesses in your industry. Don't be afraid to experiment and innovate. Analyze your data, your successes and failures. It's all valuable information. Remember, success leaves clues. You now have the roadmap to achieving 1 crore in monthly sales. The knowledge, the tools, the inspiration. The rest is up to you. Take action. Implement what you've learned. Stay persistent. The path to success is paved with challenges, but with every obstacle you overcome, you become stronger, wiser, and closer to your goal. Go out there and make your 1 crore dream a reality. I believe in you.